Greetings affiliate marketers, welcome to another video from How to Webmaster. Today let's check out InboxDollars affiliate or their referral program. InboxDollars is a very popular get paid to take surveys, play games and earn rewards kind of website, and they also have an app. Here are ratings from Trustpilot for InboxDollars. They got a 4.2 out of 5 stars with almost 42,000 reviews, so that is very good. Here's their InboxDollars Android app. They also have one for iOS as well. 5 million downloads, 4.2 out of 5 stars with 151,000 reviews. This is as legitimate as they come, and this is inside of my InboxDollars account. See, I got a current balance of $3.34. I've already made over $40 with them, and you can earn $3 for every referral. Plus, here's the amazing part, you get 10% of your referrals earnings for life, and this works for all of your referrals for the life of their account. So if you refer one person and they take surveys and play games and earn like $10, you will get $1 from them or from InboxDollars paid to your account anytime your referrals make money, and you get the $3 bonus. On top of that, you also get $5 bonus for signing up, and your referrals will also get $5 bonus for signing up. So it is a win-win for everybody. There's no fees, nothing to there's no cost to join this. It's all free, and this is a good passive way to earn money for yourself and money for your referrals. They've been around since 2000, the year 2000, over 20 years ago. They've already paid out $80 million in cash reward. Highly recommend it. If you want to earn some passive income, promoting an affiliate offer like this is a great way to do it. Check it out. I'll leave the link down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more money making ideas. Thanks again, and until next time, happy money making.